The adorable, adorable giant cat. The adorable, adorable giant cat. The adorable giant cat, written by Mrs. Diaz, illustrated by Leonardo AI. Tommy bought a beautiful fluffy cat, but this cat was no ordinary cat. Tommy was in for a wonderful surprise. The cute fluffy cat began to grow and grow. Tommy and Fluffy played in the mud together. Fluffy loved to chase birds. The birds looked tiny next to Fluffy. Fluffy enjoyed a good tree branch to sit on. Fluffy loved to nap on his small mat. The cat had grown into a giant cat, but Tommy loved him anyways. The end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more content, please leave me a comment down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.